Babylon 9 is experiencing a catastrophic earthquake. The galaxy is at risk of losing its entire supply of coconuts.
Roger that, Marcia Starfighter. Huh? Thanks, Speedy. No quake is too big for my fault-filling lantern ray. Ooh, perfect for cosmic coladas.
Earthquake averted. Well done, Lanterman.
Thanks, Marcia Starfighter. Just keeping the galaxy safe.
Jumping Jupiter's rings! My emergency alert system indicates that Sunnytown, California is about to experience an earthquake of its own. Shoppers at Kruger's grocery store could be in danger.
Let's get shaken, Speedy. To Saturn, then the...
Lanterman, wait! Earth is a Class 5 planet. You'll need to blend in.
Roger that, Marcia. Activate disguise ray.
Genius! Assume identity of... Grocery Clerk Larry!
To Saturn, then the stars!
Hi, Nova. Hey, this isn't your usual shopping day.
I know, Maya, but I like to keep the Sunny Oaks kitchen stocked with food everyone will enjoy.
Oh, I bet Dexter would love this new pineapple ramen. Hi, Sophia. Hi, Mrs. Ramos.
Hola, Maya. Oh, pineapple ramen. Doesn't that sound interesting?
What's going on? Everything's shaking! Look out!
Quick, everyone. Stay away from windows and shelves.
Let's get to the interior safe wall.
Let me lock your chair, mija.
Okay, is everyone all right?
I think so.
We're fine, thank goodness.
Attention shoppers, clean up on aisle everywhere. Oh? Never mind.
That earthquake was scary.
Yes, mija. I was scared too.
Fortunately, that was just a tremor. But after an earthquake, electrical, water, and cell phone service can be down for days. Take it from Grocery Clerk Larry. Always keep plenty of emergency supplies on hand. That's right, Grocery Clerk Turtle. Earthquakes can happen anytime, so it's important to be safe and prepared. Perfect, ma'am. Take shelter where nothing can fall on you. Protect your head, neck, and body. And stay there until the quake is over. Yes! Secure shelves and heavy furniture so they can't fall over.
Thanks for following our emergency plan, Lucas. I'm so glad everyone at Sunny Oaks is okay.
Communication in a crisis? Nice. Sounds like somebody followed Title 22 regulations, requiring providers to have a plan in case of an emergency.
Do we need emergency supplies, Nova?
As a licensed home provider, I'm required to have essentials in case of emergency, but we can always use more.
Oh, yes, you can. Remember, you'll need plenty of non-perishable food and water, a 3-day supply for evacuation, and a 2-week supply for home. And don't forget the extra batteries. Way to be prepared for an earthquake, shoppers. Speedy, our work here is done.
That grocery clerk and his turtle were really helpful.
Huh? I didn't hire a grocery clerk. Or a turtle.
Another successful mission. Thanks to you, Lanterman, those customers know it's important to secure heavy furniture, find safe shelter, call and check on loved ones, have enough food and water to last for a few days, and have plenty of batteries on hand.
And make sure you have extra personal supplies ready in case you need to evacuate after the quake. Remember, good citizens, prepare today for a safe tomorrow. And if you need any support, contact your regional center. To Saturn, then the stars!